Hello, happy new year. Thank you guys so much for the 500 subscribers. I want to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the comments, thank you for the love. You guys really made me proud. I'm really happy that we were able to hit 500 subscribers. Who would have thought that? Who would have believed that? But come on, with the help of God and with the support of you guys, we were able to get to 500 subscribers. Yay! You guys, thank you so much. Let's get right into today's video. So you guys, this video is just like a talk, get ready with me kind of video. I just want to get to know you guys a lot more. I want to talk to you guys this year 2K19. So I'll be using the Creative Me palette. I'll be using this palette to create this look for today. I'm not going to do much. As you can see, my face is already set, so let's just start. So you guys, first I want to try, let me just try this yellow. I just want to see how this Kiko pigment yellow, this high pigment eyeshadow, I want to see how it look like. Let me just try it. If it doesn't go well, I'm going to change to the other one. Wow, you guys. Should I think I need to apply some, let me just apply some concealer. I think so. So let me get the concealer. I will be right back. So I got my oops you guys, I got my MAC Studio Finish concealer. I'm just going to use that first to apply. I'm just going to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. So you guys, I had a very wonderful Christmas. My Christmas was fantastic. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not going to lie, you guys. My Christmas was really nice. I went to Lithuania. I went there with my friend. I went with my friend for the Christmas, and you guys, I really had fun. Like everywhere there was a lot of snow, a lot. I must confess, that's the first time. Like when I went to in Berlin, I've seen a lot of snow. Like I've seen a lot of snow, but like the snow I saw in Lithuania, you guys, it's a lot. It's when I say a lot, you guys, it's really a lot. And for me, that was the first time seeing so much snow, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was cold, but I really enjoyed it. Yeah, there was a lot of food. Really, I'm really going to applaud the Lithuanians. Like it was, I would say they're really guest friendly. What's friendly? Oh my goodness, German is coming. Like I don't know. Like German is like trying to mix with my English a little bit. So I will say Lithuanians, you guys, they are guest friendly. Please, I know you know what I'm trying to say. So you guys, the Lithuanians, they're really good people. I got a lot of the welcoming was very nice. They were very nice to me. The families that I visited, they were very warm-hearted people, and I really had fun. Like I had fun visiting Vilnius. I really, yeah, I like the city of Vilnius. Like it's a bit like old, very the style, it's really old. I'm going to definitely, I'll be showing you guys the vlog I made. I was vlogging all my time during my stay there. I really vlogged a lot. So I will show you guys. I will definitely show you guys. You know, traveling and getting to meet new people, you guys, is something that I think I will be doing this year a lot. To get to see new people, new places, and if possible, learn new language. So I'm just going to leave this one right here. I think that's enough. The blending is okay. I'm just going to blend, and next I will be going in with the yellow. I'll go in with this yellow eyeshadow. I'm only using yellow. Yeah, I just want to see how it's going to look. This is it really. Let me see how it will come out. Not bad. Let's just see. Let me see how this, yeah, I think it's okay. It's coming out how I want it. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas very well. Like I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas. I hope you had no problem. Like those who traveled to visit their family, I hope you guys had fun. For me, I had fun, although I was not with my family, but with the family of my friend, really I had so much fun and I really enjoyed it. And you guys, for 2019, I hope you guys, you've already made your plans. Like no dulling this year. I hope you've already made your plans, you guys, because Come, last year I know a lot of us, we made plans and then we couldn't achieve our plans. So we said we were going to do stuff, and because of one reason or the other, we didn't do it. I am also one of those people. I'm not going to lie, I was one of those people who had plans and I couldn't achieve it in 2018. But I'm not going to use that as an excuse. You guys, I think I really like how the yellow is coming out. I really like it. Oh my god. My. This is coming out really well. And I like it. So 2019, what are your plans, you guys? What have you laid down to do? I hope you've written them down. You know, I used to be one of those people who I make plans and I don't like to write it down. I feel like my brain is a huge computer and I try to store all of them in my brain. But I'm going to tell you, it doesn't work. If you have plans, it's better to write it down, like pen it down, put it on paper. Or if you have, like, you can save it on your iPad, on your mobile phone, because your notebook, write it somewhere. Make sure you take it out of your head and then put it down somewhere and save it, and then you can go through it and look, okay, I've been able to achieve this, I've been able to achieve that. It's good to really write your plans down. So I think this side is okay. I'm just going to go to the other side. So you guys, I know a lot of things are going to change, not only in the spiritual realm. Things are also going to change in the physical realm. Things are also going to change in the economical realm. Like, a lot of things are going to change, and I don't want you guys to, like, don't stay behind. Don't stay behind, you guys. Don't stay behind. Don't let things change and then you are still there feeling bitter, you are still there feeling sad, you are still there thinking of who hurt you or who didn't do well, don't just let anything stop you this year. If you have something that you really want to do, if you have a plan, if you have something that you really want to do, put it down on paper and come on. Even if you're afraid, do it afraid. Do it anyway. Don't let anybody stop you. Even if people are telling you that this plan that you have is too big, you cannot achieve it, you don't have the money, you don't have the education, you don't have the intelligence, you don't have what it takes to do it anyway. You know, you have to start from somewhere. I remember when I wanted to start my YouTube channel, you guys, I know a lot of people who told me, girl, you have a very bad accent, girl, you have a you don't have the personality, you don't have what it takes to be a YouTuber, you don't have the money, you don't have the equipment. You guys, I heard a lot of things at the beginning when I wanted to start my YouTube channel, but above all odds, I didn't let it, like, put me down. I didn't let it make me stay there and say, okay, I don't have what it takes, I cannot talk in public, I'm very shy. I'm kind of shy, like, naturally I'm a shy person, but sometimes I just let loose and do what I have to do because I love to do it. So you guys, this year, don't allow anybody keep you there for nothing. Don't just let anybody keep you there for nothing. So I know a lot of people might have told you, yeah, you don't have what it takes to do what you're supposed to do. Don't let nobody keep you there for nothing. Do it afraid, okay? Do it afraid. Do it anyways. And to my lovely sisters, I know a lot of ladies are going through heartbreak, like someone has broken your heart and, like, they left you lonely, they left you sad. You were supposed to get married to them in 2019 and then they left you. Sister, come on. Even if they left you, don't be left behind. Pick up yourself from the ground. Dust yourself. Move on. They leaving you thinking you are nothing, or they leaving you thinking whatever made them left you, or a lady left you because of something, whatever made that lady leave you, it doesn't matter. Germans will say egal, yes, egal. It doesn't matter. Move on. It's never easy. I know how it feels to be hurt. Like, I know how it feels to be dumped. I know how it feels for someone that you love so much to leave you. It's never a good feeling. It's never a good feeling, you know. So you guys, don't let that stop you in 2019. Even if they left you, God took them out of your life for a purpose. God let them leave you for a purpose. Don't let that stop you this year, 2019. They left you so that you can be alone, so that you can take this time that you are alone, this time that you are not with them. Use this time to, like, build yourself. Use this time to, like, invest in yourself. Use this time to motivate yourself. Use this time to do the things that you couldn't do when you were with them, you guys. So I'm just going to talk to you guys that are going through pain, you guys that are going through heartbreak, you guys that are going through difficulties. Maybe your friend betrayed you, your sister left you, or something, a family member hurt you, or maybe your parents disappointed you. Whatever it is that is hurting you in this beginning of the year, because the devil is very crafty. When they see you have plans, the enemy, when they see you have plans, they are going to try to crush you. They are going to try to make you go through things that you least expected, so that your plan for the year will crush. Don't let it get to you at all, okay? Move, 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 move. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, move. So you guys, I think I'm talking too much. Let me just concentrate and finish this eye. I think I like it. It looks kind of weird, Oda. It looks weird, but I like it anyways. This year we are going to do weird things, like things that are like strange. Let's do it. So I'm starting the year doing a very weird kind of makeup, and I know I'm going to love it anyways. So you guys, love what you do what you love. That being said, I'm going to take this yellow, this from the Creative Me palette. From the Creative Me palette, I'm going to take this. What am I doing? My goodness, girl, be serious. So I'm going to use this yellow, this one right here. I'll take this one right here to go under my eyes. So you guys, 2019, fire up, fire up. So I'm just going under my eyes, just going under my, I think I like that. Let me use a smaller brush. So I'm going to use this brush to go under my eyes. This year, let us do what we love, and let us love what we do. It's just for you to know your value. You have to know your worth, you know. Don't let people take you for granted. Don't let it happen this year. A lot of people don't just value us, you know. People will take you for granted. They won't value you. Because they don't value you, you also need to value yourself. You also need to value yourself. You need to put a price tag on yourself. Don't let people come to you and make you feel inferior. I know I'm just talking here and there, just talking. Let's just talk, you know. I just feel like talking and getting this out of my mind, because this is something that I've been wanting to tell you guys. And I thank God that I've been able to put it out there for you guys to know. Don't be afraid. Whatever you want to do this year, don't let anybody stop you. Don't let anybody tell you cannot do it. If you want to go back to school, go back to school. Go get some education. This year we need to invest in ourselves. Enough of investing in others. Enough of investing too much in your family. You need to invest in yourself. Listen, invest in yourself this year, okay? I'm not saying you shouldn't help your family, but let yourself, you should come first. The Bible says that love your neighbor as yourself. So for you to be able to love your neighbor, you need to love yourself first. So put yourself first and let every other person come second. That's how you can survive. The look is coming out well. I'm just going to go with this. I'm going to keep quiet a little bit and then try to finish this look. All right, guys.
If you were gone, you can't get it. If you were, give you strive hard. You can't be just what you want. If you were gone, you can climb the mountain top. 'Cause nothing is too small, and nothing is too big.
The lashes that I'll be using today is this Sosu lash. This lash, I got it from Primark, and I'm just going to apply my lash, and I will be right back to continue this look. So you guys, I'm done with my lashes and my eyeliner as well. The liner came out longer than I expected. Like, you guys, it came out very long. But I'm going to rock it anyways. So now I'm just going to apply a lip gloss, and we are done for today. So this is my favorite, one of my favorite lip gloss at the moment. It's just a simple lip gloss. This is Essence lip gloss. I got it from DM. If you're in Germany, you know DM. I got this Essence lip gloss from DM. So I'm just going to apply this, and we are good to go.
Don't want to take the same step where I take last year. We don't work for me. Oh Lord, as I grind and the hustle, bless me with this money. Make you run out for me.
So guys, here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and if you would like to see more of this type of videos, please feel free to leave your comments down below. And once again, I wish you all a happy new year. Let this year be prosperous for all of us, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.